Hello, my name is Terry, and I would highly like to recommend Precision Line Property Services. Both Andrew and Frederick did above and beyond what I had asked them to do and did an absolutely excellent job from start to finish. They came out here, gave me a quote. I asked for a chance to think about it and pray about it, which they had no problem with. They came out and did the work. It took them 2 days. The last day they were here themselves. When I drove in and could see the place, it looks like everything is absolutely brand new and the yard looks wonderful. I would highly recommend them. I wanted to give them a 5-star, but I do not do Facebook, so sorry about that. And they said this was another way to do it. Like I said, I would highly recommend that at any point, any of the services they offer, because I had them all done. Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, Andrew Heffley here, founder and owner of Precision Line Property Services. Let me take a quick second just to give my thanks and gratitude to Miss Terry for her raving review. Our number one goal at Precision Line Property Services is to turn all of our clients into raving fans. That's our goal, is to be able to just be of service and give exceptional results each and every time the first time. As you can see in this video, we did a lot at this property. It took us 2 days, 8 hours each day. Between all of the technicians that were on site, we walked 30-something miles is what we added up just in 2 days at one property. Look, the results speak for themselves. We want to be able to be of service for you and for your property on any of the services that you need. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will give us the opportunity to earn your business and let us show you why we are the clearer choice. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video and talk soon.